Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a legal battle is looming over the use of the states of public emergency as a crime-fighting measure. Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips today indicated that the PNP will be taking the matter to court. He was speaking to TVJ News after the party's National Executive Council (NEC) meeting at the University of the West Indies on Mona on Sunday. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
The states of emergency in Western parishes and the St. Andrew South Police Division were extended with the support of the opposition in Parliament last week, but the People's National Party, PNP, signals it remains uncomfortable with the use of the measure to fight crime. On Friday, opposition spokesman on justice Donna Scott Motley suggested in the Senate that the court should decide on the continued use of the SOEs in the way the government is using the measure. On Sunday, the opposition leader gave a more definitive indication that the party will take the matter to court.
We believe that there should be a testing in the courts of the proposition that states of emergency were not intended to be a crime control measure outside of insurrection or some direct challenge to constitutional order. And our legal team is looking at that to see what is the best way to cause the courts to make a determination in that regard.
He maintains that the suspension of constitutional rights to fight crime is not a solution to the country's problem.
It is for that reason why we are holding our stakeholders meeting on Tuesday.
Dr. Phillips said that Crime Summit is not about scoring political points, but about finding genuine solutions to an issue which has been plaguing Jamaica for far too long. What he says has made him more uncomfortable is the Prime Minister signaling that he wants to use states of emergency for up to 7 years, and that's why he says the party is taking the matter to court.
I think ultimately there are various views in the legal fraternity as to the legality. Various views even within the party as to the legality. Various views that separate government and opposition regarding the legality. We think that the courts are the proper place where these matters of law get determined, these matters of constitutionality. So what we have asked is a team from the party to examine the best way of getting the courts to consider this matter speedily.
Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.